Okay, guys, so let A1, A2, A3 up to A3n be an arithmetic progression with A1 is 3 and A2 is 7. If A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to A3n is 1830, then what is the smallest positive integer m such that m into A1 plus A2 up to an should be more than 1830? Okay, so it is given that A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to A3n is 1830. So the whole idea is we need to calculate the value of n and calculate the sum A1 plus A2 up to an, and that is how we get the value of m. That's the whole process. Let's start. This tells us sum of the first three n terms of this AP is 1830. Sum of the first n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So first 3n terms, the sum will be 3n by 2 into 2a. A is the first term here, 3. 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. D here is the common difference. Now, if a1 is 3, the first term is 3 in the AP, and a2 is 7, the common difference is 7 minus 3, which is 4. So 3n by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 3n minus 1 into 4. This is nothing but 1830. So if you simplify this, you'll cancel out 3 and 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3 and 3 0 0. Take 2 on the right hand side. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3n minus 1 will be 3n minus 1 into 4 multiplied by n is equal to 610 into 2 is 1220. If you simplify this now, you're going to get 6 plus 4 3s are 12n minus 4 into n is equal to 1220. 12n plus 2 multiplied by n will be equal to 1220. Okay, so you can basically cancel out 2 everywhere. You're going to get 6n plus 1 multiplied by n is divided by 2, 610. And now you can very clearly observe that the left hand side is of the form 6 into 10 plus 1 multiplied by 10 is nothing but 610. So n will be equal to 10. Okay, now since n is equal to 10 has been figured out, the question becomes easy now. Okay, this part a1 plus a2 plus a3, it is sum of the first 10 terms. So let's calculate the 10th term. The 10th term will be a, the first term, into 10 minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. That's basically 3 plus 9 into 4, 36 plus 3 is 39, right? So the 10th term is 39. We can find sum of the 10 terms. Sum of the 10 terms is first term plus last term divided by 2 into n. Basically arithmetic mean into number of terms. So sum of the 10 terms of this AP is basically a plus n minus 1 into d, the nth term, plus a divided by 2. So first term plus last term divided by 2, thereby giving you 3 plus 39 divided by 2, that's 21. Multiply them by 10, you get 210 as sum of the first 10 terms. Now, m into sum of these 10 terms should be greater than 1830. That means m into 210 is greater than 1830. If you basically just divide this 1830 upon 21, you get m greater than 183 upon 21. So you can observe that here m has to be greater than 183 upon 21 will be approximately 8 times, because 9 times it becomes 189. So m has to be greater than 8 point something, means the smallest value m can take is equal to 9.